Open Session View and click on the Wolflow logo to open the dashboard. In the dashboard, you will see Create New Session. Here, you can name your new session, change the color, make it a favorite, and select resources from the right side of the screen. Note, you cannot create a blank session in the dashboard, so select at least one application you might need. Clicking Create will create the session but keep you in your dashboard. Clicking Create and Start will navigate you to your new session. In your new session, you will see the resources you've selected, and you can begin working as usual. When I'm done working on this task, I can open Session View and click the X to save and close it. A pop-up will prompt you to review the resources you opened in this session, where you can also delete any resources that you don't want to save for later. In Session View now, I can see that my new session is under Recent Sessions, as Web Design is no longer open but is stored for later.